Today I'll be showing you the vertical line test, which is a way of testing if something is a function. So here on screen we have a graph of y equals x squared. Now let's use a vertical line test to see if it's a function. Now the vertical line test says that if any vertical line drawn through your graph intersects it only once, it's a function. So if we draw a bunch of vertical lines through y equals x squared and they all only have one intersection with the graph, that means that y equals x squared is a function. And on the other hand, if you can draw a vertical line through the graph which intersects it more than once, that means that the graph is not a function. So if more than one intersection is possible, that means it's not a function. So let's try this on y equals x squared. As you can see, when we draw vertical lines through the graph, no matter where we draw them, all of them only have one intersection. So that means that y equals x squared is a function. And the reason this test works is because the definition of a function says that for every input or x value, there can be only one output, or in other words, y value. Alright, now let's go through some examples. See if you can figure out if y equals sine of x is a function by using the vertical line test. Well, no matter where you draw a vertical line through this graph, it will only intersect the graph once. So that means that y equals sine of x is a function. How about x squared plus y squared equals 1? Well, this is the graph of a circle, and if you draw a vertical line through it, you can see that it has two intersections with the graph. So that means that this is not a function, because there's more than one intersection. How about y squared equals x? Once again, you can draw a vertical line through it, which intersects with the graph twice. So that means that y squared equals x is not a function. And how about this one? Well, there are some places where you can draw a vertical line that only intersects the graph once. But over here, if you draw a vertical line, it intersects the graph 3 times. So that means that this is not a function. And that's how you do the vertical line test. So thanks for watching.